The Leon is a very charismatic vehicle. It worked perfectly in the market. Even now, it's still leader of sales in Spain. So we had the reasons to keep a little bit the soul, but obviously design has to evolve. So basically we have changed a lot of things, basically everything, but keeping a few elements that remind this iconicity of Leon. The first thing that changes is the proportion of the car. When you see it from the side view, the car has dramatically changed. The hood is much longer than before. Now it's pretty vertical, almost negative at the front. The cabin is a little bit backwards. A pillar has been moved backwards, but we keep the typical seat triangle of the C-post at the back. So this talks very much about Leon. Another thing that you will see, like a kind of connection with today's Leon, is the body language. We have our character lines on the side, basically 3 lines define the whole body side, with 2 blisters on the top and 1 on the bottom. That's it. With that, we design the body side of the Leon. But this time it has become much more sculpted, less theoretical. Now everything is like one surface, soft surface, moving along the body, and not so theoretical as today. So basically a lot of things change, but everything is new. On the interior is the same. We keep the central item or the central motive of the design. With the infotainment screen, it is always high position, oriented towards the driver, like we like it at SEAT, perfectly aligned with the digital combimeter, but we redefine how we integrate this screen into the interior of the car. Very thin and very wide dashboard, high console. So again, same concept, but completely different design approach.